Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how team members who are editors can sign their own document if they are the only recipients of that particular document and finish the signing process without actually sending it to them. So first of all, this is my workspace and under Teams, I've added this particular ID as an editor. So in another tab, I've opened the account where I gave the editor access and under this, I'll click on create signature PDF and create a PDF from my system. So I'm selecting a file, a random file, and clicking open. And then I'm adding my own email address here, which will be write to jenny@gmail.com. So this is the email address that I added as the editor. So I'm selecting this email address and giving a name. And then I'm clicking confirm to continue. So we've been redirected to our PDF editor. And then I'm clicking and dragging the signature field and placing it where I want it to be. Since I am the signer, that is, since I am the one who is signing this document and I am the editor of this document, I can just click onto this signature box and give in my signature and click accept and sign. So here you will be able to see that my signature has been updated in this box. So this feature is mainly helpful if you are a team member of a particular workspace and you want to sign a particular document and send it to your manager. You can just open the editor, create a new document, sign it by yourself and just send it directly without actually sending it to yourself for signing. So after finishing this signing process, we can just click onto this finish document button over the top right corner of your dashboard. So after clicking on to the finish document button, you will be redirected to this finish document page where you will be able to see the audit trail of this particular document and you will also be able to download a PDF format of this particular signed document. So yeah, I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you for watching.